Well, Jagender Rana here. So the product of the day is plate glass policy. Plate glass insurance policy. For many offices and other establishments like showrooms, hotels, and theaters, plate glass often forms an important part of the building structure. Glass used for this purpose is available in various categories and can cost a lot. And more importantly, it is fragile. Thus, to cover the cost of its breakage, a plate glass insurance policy is required. So, this fixed plate glass in the premises, plate or sheet glass, ornamental, embossed, lettered, or stained glasses are covered under the policy. Only fixed plate glasses. The breakage of the glass by any cause specified in the policy is covered. Plate glass policy covers the fixed plate glass against accidental breakage. Breakage will not include damage or disfiguration other than fracture extending through the entire thickness of the glass. Right and strike risk can be covered at an extra premium. Plate glass policy covers fixed plate glass against accidental breakage. Breakage will not include damage or disfiguration. So now the question is, what is plate glass insurance and what does it cover? Because plate glass insurance covers accidental breakage of the damage to glass on business premises. It is not uncommon for glass fixtures on a business premises to break due to an accident or some other reason. So this can turn out to be a costly affair. To manage such situations, business units often consider opting for plate glass insurance. As far as the types of plate glass insurance is concerned, the plate glass insurance is a flexible policy. It covers the intrinsic value of the glass, means this refers to the reinstatement value less depreciation, and it covers only the fixed glass. Glass refers to the fixed plain glass and mirror within the office or shopping complex, excluding painting, tinting, ornamental work on the glass unless stated whilst calculating the sum insured. So in case of any damage or breakage to the glass fixtures, the replacement cost can be very high. So the plate glass policy will pay accidental loss or damage to plate glass within the insured premises, expenses incurred to erect any temporary boarding as a replacement for damaged plate glass, cost of replacing lettering, ornamentation, and sign writing affixed to the broken item. Then cost of replacement of the burglar alarm, tape, or wiring affixed to the broken plate glass. Then replacing damaged window frames due to wear and tear. If needed, insured can ask for an extended coverage against the damage caused by terrorism, riot in strike, and malicious damage on additional premium. So how plate glass insurance functions? To take this policy, the insured has to submit a proposal form to be completed, provide detail of the items which need insurance after a proper evaluation. The company checks the eligibility of the policy seeker. If eligible, both parties sit and agree on the amount of premium and sum insured. In case of any breakage or damage to the plate glass, the insured applies for compensation provided it comes under the coverage. A representative from the insurance company visits the site and verifies the submitted claim details. If the claim is found to be genuine, the money is sanctioned and paid to the beneficiary account. In case the claim is not approved by the insurance company and the insured does not agree with the solution, a dispute can be raised in the court of law. So plate glass insurance can be availed by any business or businesses such as showrooms, restaurants, hotels and shopping complexes that use plate glass for decoration or commercial purposes. The insurance companies have a hassle-free and quick claim settlement process. In case the policyholder needs to claim for the damaged or broken fixed plate glass, in that case the insurance company will evaluate the damage and then call the customer care number and register the claim. The call should be made immediately after the damage comes to the notice. It is the duty of the insured to submit the duly filled up claim form along with other necessary evidence of damaged plate glass and to submit a detailed and written statement of the damages within 14 days. So the insurance company verifies the claim details. If the claim is found fit for compensation as per the policy, the amount will be paid in the beneficiary account. So in case the claim is rejected, the reason will be informed to the insurer, to the insured by the insurer. If the insurer does not consent to the resolution, he or she can raise a dispute in the court of law. For settlement of the claim, normally insurance companies seek the duly completed claim form, copy of plate glass insurance policy, detailed statement of the loss or damage along with the intrinsic value of the damaged item and the information or assistance and proof related to the claims. Normally the policy excludes the cracked, scratched or imperfect glass plates because all losses are not covered under the policy. Certain deductible excesses which is stated in the schedule of the insurance policy are also applicable. Damage caused by fire, explosions, heat and gas are not covered in the policy. Damage caused by natural calamities like earthquake and storms are excluded. Damage by war, strikes, nuclear explosion, terrorism and riots are excluded. Breakage caused while repairing, removing or alteration in the landscaping, disfiguration of glass which is not caused by cracks extending through the thickness of the plate glass. Loss or damage caused due to careless or negligence in placing the plate glass properly. And breakage of the lettering while the main glass remains intact. Silver letters, embossed or ornamental glass frames, unless these are specifically mentioned in the policy. And damage to any plate glass which is different from the plain and ordinary plate glass of glazing quality. Also the consequential loss of property, legal liability or personal injury are excluded. So before purchasing plate glass insurance, You should be aware of about all the little things associated with the insurance in order to get the best deal, like the notice and communication made to the insurance company should be documented. Even if the beneficiary is calling up to intimate about the event, the insurance company is liable to pay only up to the insured amount. If there is misrepresentation or misdescription or non-disclosure of any fact related to the claimed damages, the policy can be termed as void by the insurer. So, plate glass refers to thick and fine quality glass. These pieces of thick and plain glass are used to make window panes, glass doors, and transparent walls. It is the reinstatement value of the plate glass that is settled under the claim. So the sum insured refers to the maximum sums which is payable as a whole under the policy. The premium depends on the sum insured, number of items covered, and the type of glass being insured. And the insurance can be terminated at a notice of 15 days. The insurance company will retain a part of the premium for the time span in which the policy was in force. So, considering the requirement today for many offices and establishments like showrooms, hotels, and theaters, plate glass often forms an important part of the building structure. So glass used for this purpose are available in various categories and can cost a lot. So to protect them, plate glass insurance policy is must. Thank you. Thank you very much.